Hey guys, what's up? This is Steve here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button or hit the like button, smash that button now to help me out. Alright, today we're going to be doing another unboxing. This time it's going to be the Levoit Core 300 air purifier. So you might have remembered that I did do a open box on a Tautronics air purifier. And this is something very similar, but you know what? You can never have enough purifiers in your house. So this one here retails for $189.99 on Amazon.ca for Canadians. But you know what? I got this for an awesome price of, wait for it, $75 Canadian. And it even came with one filter, two filters, and did I say three filters? So that's a lot of filters and air purifying. That's an awesome deal, I think. But today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the Core 300 Levoit. So I'm going to show you what's inside this box and also maybe try and do a sound test for it so you can hear it. Inside this box is a 3-fan speed level air purifier with sleep mode, timer function for 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. Has a display lock and it tells you when the filter needs to be changed, and also you can turn off the display. All right, so this is the box right here. It's actually quite a small box compared to the Tautronics. Just looking around, kind of shows you what's the components of this air filter, and then back to the front. So remember, this is the Core 300. It's not the one with the smart app, which I think would be pretty nice to have actually. But in any case, let's take a look inside. Alright, so first thing you're greeted with is, fresh air. So a little bit about this air purifier. It covers an approximate room size of 1,095 square feet in 1 hour. That's the filtration rate. And it uses a HEPA filter, H13 I believe. Okay, so what do we have inside? We have the quick start guide. It tells you that how to put in the filter and also the functions on the panel of the air purifier. We have the old school instruction manual. Of course, tells you some safety information and how to connect it and how to put it together. So we'll put that right here. And of course, a nice little warranty. I think there's a 1-year warranty on it. Anyways, it's a warranty card that you can register for. Okay, so let's take a look inside the box. So we start off with the styrofoam protection kit. And let's take it out. Oh, it's pretty heavy actually. Let's take it out. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It has a nice long, I think this is a 2-meter cord. And let's bring it down and take a look. So it is sealed at the bottom. Just checking inside the box. Nothing in there. Alright, so this is the air purifier. It has the Levoit logo on it. And this thing draws air from the bottom and it pushes it out to the top. It's a pretty simple machine. It's actually quite a bit smaller than the Tautronics. This one looks like it stands at about 1/2 meter tall. And on the front panel, you can see here that there is a power button in the middle, the fan speed 1, 2, and 3, a sleep mode, a timer mode, and the I believe this is the display, and this is the change filter indicator. So let's take a look around this device. So on the bottom there are 4 kind of rubber feet, and they're actually quite sturdy. They stick pretty well to any hard surface. And here you turn counterclockwise to open it. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And inside you have the air filter. This is a HEPA H13 filter right here. And this is your device right here. All right. And maybe I'll quickly take a look at the replacement filters that came with it. So this one here is the Levoit True HEPA 3-stage filter. It's the original filters, the RF. So I know there are other filters that allow you to filter out toxins from the air, as well as specifically for, I think, animal dander. But this one is the regular one. So I don't actually know how much this one is, but basically it's an identical to this one right here. And it comes with a small little manual that just tells you which one this one is compatible with right here. So again, there was the 300 RF, which is this one here, the RFPA for pet allergy, and then the TX, which is the toxin absorber filter. Okay, put that down. Let's put this one away. All right, so that's really the unboxing of this guy. I'm going to show you a little bit of a sound test and see how it operates and see how loud it is. So we're back here again, and this time I plugged in the device, and I'm going to install the filter and turn it on, and we'll test out some of the functions. So it comes in a bag wrapped here. You need to cut it, so I do have my trusty scissors. Take it out. So first of all, there's a little handle at the bottom, which tells you, I guess, the bottom side. And inside here, there is the filter. Well, it's a 3-stage filter, so there's actually 3 components in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to install it. So I believe it's the handle facing the bottom of the device, and just plug it in. It's pretty simple. And of course, put the cap back on. And then again, turn it, for you guys, turn it clockwise until you hear the click, and then it's on. So, we'll turn it back upright, and let's take a listen. So this is the lowest filter sound. So it is pretty quiet. The lowest sound, I believe, is 24 decibels, and that's when you put it into sleep mode. This is level 2. And level 3. Sleep mode. So when you put it in sleep mode, I actually think it just turns off some of the blue lights. And either it runs at fan level 1 or actually a little bit lower. But it is quite quiet. You can turn on the lock. Not sure what that does there. But then there's a timer here. Yeah, the sleep mode is actually quieter than the level 1 fan, in case you're wondering. All right. So that's the Levoit Core 300 model air purifier, and remember, I got this for $75. Awesome deal with 3 extra filters. If you have any questions, leave a question below. Remember to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. See you guys next time.